In this video, we are going to learn how to fix formatting issues in the order ID column. And the first step is to define the standard form. For instance, we can decide our values here to have ORD in uppercase plus 3-digit numbers. For instance, it can follow the ORD 002 format. So there are several methods we can use to fix formatting issues here. And the first method is to find and replace, whereby we highlight the order ID column, then press Ctrl H. And in the find what, we find a value such as 5 and we replace it with ORD 005. However, I would say this method is only ideal if the issues are minor. But in our case, when we click the filter drop down next to order ID, we can see the issues are not minor because we need to change all these values one by one. And you see, even others have hyphen. The others have hyphen, so that will be a lot of work. The next method is to use upper trim and clean function, but that method will only change those values whose ORD is written in lowercase. For instance, I can just show you when you insert a new column and use upper trim and clean A2. You see, it has only changed those values whose ORD are in lowercase. For instance, row 2, you can see it has changed to ORD uppercase and 001. But for the rest of the values, like the ones that had hyphen, others were just one number, the values remained the same. So we still have formatting issues there. So the ideal method is to entirely rebuild the order ID column. So to rebuild the order ID column, you're first going to extract numbers and then we standardize number length. So to extract numbers, we are going to use this formula. So we are going to insert a new column. And I'm just going to write the formula and then I'll explain to you what it means. So equals. So what this does is it just extracts numbers only. So for me, it extracts characters one by one. If error ignores non-numeric characters and text join combines extracted numbers together. So once we have extracted numbers only, now we are going to standardize number length and we are going to use this formula. So we are going to insert another column and use this formula equals RD and text B2. Now the new column we have that has only numbers and fix that. So as you can see, we have rebuilt the entire order ID column, and when we sort to see whether all the values are consistent, let's sort A to Z. You can see, and let's sort Z to A. You can see all the values in the order ID are consistent. So the next thing is to copy this and paste it as value so that we can delete the rest of the columns. So Control Shift down, Control Copy, and we paste it as values. And now we can delete this column and also this column. We can rename this column as order ID.